Here we are. This is my crusty 1970 CT70 that we found in the dump. A good buddy of mine called me and sent me some pictures when he was at the dump. This was sitting in the scrap pile. Pretty rough. Honestly, I don't even know if it's salvageable. What do you guys think? I know these frames rotted out pretty regularly, but man, it's just so cool to see stuff from back then, the way they design stuff. What do you guys think? Part it out, restore it, slob it together? You tell me down in the comments.